Problem 13.15 involves a car pulling a trailer. We're given that the mass of the trailer is 1,200 kilograms, the mass of the car is 1,400 kilograms, and that the speed of the car initially is 72 kilometers per hour, which is equal to 20 meters per second. And of course, this is the speed of the trailer as well. We're told that this is going to be braking to a stop, and that the braking force on the car is 5,000 newtons, and the braking force on the trailer is 4,000 newtons. So we're going to use the work energy principle to solve this problem. Start off with T1 plus U1 to 2 equal to T2, but T2 is final velocity 0. Initial kinetic energy is 1/2 mass times the velocity squared. The two masses added together, they all have both have the same velocity. So this is the total kinetic energy of the system. And then you have minus the work done by the braking forces, which you're going to travel an X distance to the right, but the braking forces are going to be to the left. And so you get a negative sign for that work being done. That's equal to 0. And when you solve for X out of this, you get 57.8 meters. We'll store that in the calculator, storage 1. The B part wants to know what the force is in the hitch, the horizontal force in the hitch between the trailer and the car. We're going to use work energy principles on that as well, except we're just going to look at the car motion. So we start off with kinetic energy of the car plus the work from 1 to 2 equal to the final kinetic energy of the car, which is going to be 0. But the initial kinetic energy of the car is 1/2 mass of the car times velocity squared, minus then the work done by the braking force on the car, which is F sub c times x, and it's a minus. And then we're going to have minus the force in the hitch times x. We're assuming that it's minus here. And that's equal to 0. So when you solve for F out of this, you actually get minus 153.8 newtons, which means that the force that the hitch applies to the car is actually to the right. So 153.8 newtons to the right is the answer.